All right, guys, this is the F17 Plus dash cam from REDTIGER. Let's check it out. Right, there it is. Guys, REDTIGER makes excellent dash cams. I've had a few of them, and they all work great, and they're always coming out with new and updated versions. This is the F17 Plus. All right, there it is. That's the main camera, REDTIGER F17 Plus. Comes with the SD card already installed, which is really nice. Look at all the cameras, guys. We got a camera here, driver's camera, the front camera that looks outside, and this is the rear camera, and there's 2 cameras on here, which is pretty cool. 4 cameras going at the same time. Wow, that's freaking awesome. And this one looks like you can adjust it so it can turn 180 degrees, it looks like. We're gonna get the main camera hooked up. All right, if you look inside the manual box, it comes with these little stickies. This will help if you have to remove it in the future. It'll help peel it off a lot easier. It comes with really nice 3M sticky back. Okay, now we can mount the camera. We're gonna put it right here. You can slide it off now. So if you want to take this camera inside. All right, guys, there it is, hooked up. It's on the windshield, looks good. Okay, let's put the rear camera in. All right, we'll go ahead and get the camera on there. I've got the sticker on here. I'm gonna put the camera on here, and this camera here will be the one that we use for the bed. That'll be cool, right there. Oh, this camera, oh, they both move. That's cool. I think I like the idea of having this one pointing straight back at traffic, and then this one pointing down at the bed. I think that's gonna be awesome. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, this is real easy, guys. You just take your main power cable and plug it into your 12-volt adapter. Plug it right in. Power is on. I just want to get it all hooked up first, and then we will tuck all the wires in with our little handy tool here. The main power here, and then the rear power is there. So we're gonna run the main power cable right here. All right, it should come on now. There it is, REDTIGER. There's an SD card right here. Get it out, it's right there. Please insert the SD card. All right, we're gonna insert the SD card. We're gonna go ahead and pull off this little screen protector there. Oh yeah, that looks a lot nicer. REDTIGER. It looks great. All right, guys, it is powered up. It is ready to go. So right now you can see the outside camera. You can see my finger on the outside camera, and you got the inside camera right here. So right now we're recording the 2 cameras. We're gonna hook up the rear, and we should be recording the 4, which is pretty freaking awesome. And I bet it has voice activation. Stop recording. See, it just stopped recording. Pretty cool. All right, let me get the other one hooked up real quick, and we'll go through some of the features. Stand by. Let's run power to the rear cameras. All right, the rear camera is hooked up, ready to go. We got one of the cameras pointing down towards the bed, and the other one's pointing straight out. Wires are tucked up nice and neat. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I gotta run these cables still too. Let's see if we're getting all the cameras first. We should have 4 cameras. All right, there we go, look at it. Very cool. Show main camera. There we go. Okay, so there's the rear pointing straight out. Show front camera. There's the front camera. So we're gonna mess around with the different cameras and the different features. Let's see, you can take pictures right here. So I just took a picture, it tells you the time, and you can turn the voice on or off. You can also connect to Wi-Fi and use the app, and you can see all the footage on your app and play it back, record it, and save it right there on the app, which is pretty cool. REDTIGER. All right, guys, it's all hooked up. Look how crystal clear that screen is. You can see the time. It's recording right now. Very cool. Show rear camera. That's the rear camera. Looks awesome. Show front camera. Very cool. And the cables are all tucked away. You can't even see them. All right, guys, let's go for a drive and see how crystal clear all of these cameras are. They look great. This front camera looks absolutely amazing. So we're in the Home Depot parking lot here, pulling out, and it's a nice clear day. You can see everything in front of you really clear. You can see the cars on the highway in front of me. There's a truck pulling in front of me right there, the stop sign. These things are great, guys. Eventually, I mean, if you've been driving for any period of time, eventually you're going to get in some sort of a fender bender or some sort of issue that might happen that you want to have caught on camera. And this thing, these dash cams are amazing. The REDTIGER dash cams are awesome because this specific one has 4 cameras. So we've got the front camera, the in-cabin camera, and we've got 2 cameras in the rear. You can point one of those back into the cabin if you want, or you can point them both out the rear window and get 2 different angles, which is pretty impressive. I like looking at the bed. I can see the bed of the truck if I'm carrying cargo, and I like seeing straight out the back. It's pretty impressive. And we're back to the main camera here, just driving down the highway, and everything looks great. I mean, you can see the entire road. You can see both lanes. That's a wide angle camera lens, guys. You can see the sky. You can see the cars in front of me. There's a Cybertruck. There's a Jeep. There's an old Ford F-150. I mean, there's no issue seeing everything clearly. You can access, if something did happen, all of these clips, all these little video clips, you can access from the app. So you can install the app on your phone, your iPad, or any Wi-Fi device, and you can access these clips at any time. You can download them. You can share them. If you need to share them with somebody. You can see here I'm in the parking lot, and this guy's walking behind me. Just as I was backing up, he started walking behind me, and then a car is pulling out behind me on the side here. So I'm sure you guys deal with this all the time, and it's frustrating. And a lot of the newer cars have cameras in the bed where you can see on the screen, but they're not recording. So that's what's great about having a dash cam. It's recording everything all the time to that SD card. If something did happen, we would have it on camera. Hopefully it wouldn't, be the... So if someone else was backing up at the same time, or someone bumped into you, anything like that, these cameras are impressive, guys. Here you can see the rear camera. This one's pointing straight out. And I do have tinted windows, so it's a little... Here's the bed. Now the bed's getting a lot of sunshine straight down. It's high noon, so it's nice and clear. And I could even angle it up a little bit or back a little bit. That's what's cool about this rear camera. Both of the cameras move almost 360 degrees, so it gives you a lot of options as far as what you can see. But here you can see almost the entire bed, guys. So if you had something in there, you could keep an eye on it. Here's some nighttime footage. We're just driving down the road. Everything looks great. I mean, you can see the cars in front of you. You can see the lights. But when you're sitting in traffic like this, you can see how clear everything is in front of you. It's pretty impressive. Here's some more driving footage. You can see how clear the hood is. You can see the road in front of you. You can see all the details. And here's the in-cabin camera at night, and it looks great. Again, everything is clear and easy to see, so very impressive. All right, guys, click on the link below. This is the F17 Plus. REDTIGER has lots of options to choose from. Go check them out. Pick one that works great for you. This one is amazing. I would just get this one because it's perfect. It's got 4 cameras, gives you everything you need. Go check them out. Click on the discount code below. I'll see you on the next one. Later.